Hey guys, how's it going? So welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to be unboxing and going over this lavalier microphone I bought off of Amazon, and it's from the company called PowerDeWise. So I will open it up, pretty much check it out, go over all the stuff that comes with it, and try it with my computer, and then also try it with my phone. I kind of needed another small microphone for some of the projects I got coming up, and this is the one I picked. So let's get right into it. Alright, so what comes in this box is you get a carrying case, which is kind of nice. You get the microphone, which you can see right here, and it also has a magnetic clamp. This is what you would use to hook onto your clothes. And then it says the cord is 6.5 feet long. And then you also get an extension that is also 6.5 feet long. And then you get an adapter. This is a 4-pin to 3-pin adapter. I don't know if I'm going to have to use this yet to connect to my phone, but I'm not sure. I guess I'll find that out later. And then you get some extra wind guards. Oh, there is also some quick starting tips and stuff like that in here. Will I look at them? Nope. Okay, so pretty much to hook this up, all you got to do is just take somewhere on your shirt like this, clamp that down. And then you just take the magnetic part of the lavalier and just go like that. And then pretty much plug it into your computer, your camera, your phone. So I am going to hook it up first. I'll let you know if I have to do anything special with it, but I'm hoping I just plug it in and it'd be done with. So in a second, you should be able to hear me speaking through the lavalier. Okay, so I hooked this up to my computer. I was not able to use this adapter, which I thought I would need to pretty much hook it up to my computer, but I didn't. So it took a couple minutes just trying to figure out how to get this working properly, and when I did, it actually sounded really bad. So listen to this. Okay, so this is what the lavalier mic sounds like hooked up to my computer. I really don't know if it sounds any good or bad. I guess I will find that out afterwards. So afterwards, I just came into Streamlabs and added some noise suppression filter and a compressor. So hopefully this doesn't sound as bad as that did, but it's not as good as my Quadcast. That's all I can say. But that's not really the purpose I need it for. So I guess let's see what it sounds like with my phone. Okay, so this was a little more tricky to get it to work with my phone. So I was not able to use the adapter thing they provided. Maybe I wasn't really supposed to use it. I didn't really read the instructions. I actually had to just use the Lightning to 3.5 adapter, which I pretty much bought at Target today. So just plugged the microphone right into there, and that was it. From what I can tell, from some of the clips I just did before, there is a slight ringing in there, and it's kind of annoying. So I don't know if I'll be able to get that out in post or not, but who knows. But I guess this is a good example of what it would sound like. Okay, so those were some of the audio examples I was able to get with this lavalier microphone. And yes, connected to my computer at first, it did sound really bad, but at least I was able to get it to a passable point by using some audio filters in Streamlabs. And then connected to my iPhone, it actually did not sound too bad. It just had that weird ringing noise in the background. So for a budget microphone, I guess this thing is not too bad. This did cost $35 on Amazon, so I don't know. If you're interested in purchasing one of these things, I will leave a link down below. So that's going to be it for today's video, and I hope you enjoyed. And if you did, please drop a like. And if you're new to the channel and you like this kind of content, please consider subscribing, and that's going to be it. So I'll see you guys in the next one.